fine.
No. Let me check. Oh, send me something back. Don't know.
Miss Doris Heavenly, you gonna have to remove that.
I can email.
You gonna have to remove that on top of your head.
I can mail a plea offer if you want.
Just mail it. Why can't you mail it?
Dismiss. Oh, she said dismiss due to age. I read it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You can also bring out, who is Mr. Was it Dunning? You can bring him out too.
Yes, Judge. So he was in 3.
For Xavier Dunn?
She didn't indicate who, what, which
I
one
mean,
was.
let me see. Is your audio on, Miss Doris Heavenly?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, 36th District Court is now back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no talking, reading, sleeping, walking around. Please give your undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Versus Heavenly Doris, ticket number 457952, count 1, no operators license in possession. Ticket number P831772, count 1, drove on license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P10533326, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, drive on license suspended. And ticket number P10678853, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drive a license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number P113672, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with.
Morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Ms. Doris.
Heavenly Doors.
Oh, 15, 50 version. That's not having no link.
Oh, it's the other system. Okay, thank you. All right, it looks like there is an offer. Okay, looks like there's an offer that she plead to the ticket number ending in 952, and then counts 3 and 2 of ticket number ending in 326, and then dismissing everything else. Is that it? Does your client wish to avail herself of that offer?
Yes, Your Honor. Would it just be the failure to display the improper plates?
It was hard to read. There's like several different offers. It looks like, okay, so there's this ticket that no operators. Give me one moment. Yeah, I see that there's a failed to display an improper plate. But then I also see that there's this other ticket, which is no operators. It's like 3 count.
Yes, Judge. I believe she wishes to move forward. I said that they were dismissing U57952. So I believe my client wants to accept the offer.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, dismiss.
Yeah, no, I see that.
Yeah, she was originally
Like, that's what I'm saying, the red marking, does
Yes,
that
she-
indicate the new offer?
I don't even look like a handwriting change. That's 9/27. That's a good question. I can't make this because I don't know if she was trying to change the bill this week. She got improper place. Other matters be dismissed.
Okay. I'll just, you know what, I'm just gonna have her plead to, the fail to display in a proper place and then dismiss everything else.
Very good, Judge. Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Doris, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Warbling today in private about your case and your rights.
I'm sorry, could you say it one more time?
You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Warbling today about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 13, 2020 at approximately 6:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Wilkins and Chrysler in the city of Detroit?
I'm sorry, what day?
January 13, 2020.
Yes.
Were you at Wilkins and Chrysler in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2002 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And did you not have any insurance?
No, I didn't.
And was your license suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied with the factual?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll accept the admission and we will proceed to send, oh, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Judge.
All right, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $300 for one of the counts. I'll waive the fine for the other count too. And it will be due on August 5th. Can you have it paid by then?
No.
You need more time?
Yes. Yes.
Would you prefer to do community service in lieu of the fine?
Sure. Yes, I will.
So it'll be 30 hours of community service. Can you have that done by August? Are you working?
Yes, today is actually my first day back. I've been laid off for the last 2 months.
You work full time?
No, part-time. I just had a baby.
All right, so I'll give you till September 9th to do 30 hours of community service.
Thank you. I'll have it done by then.
Okay, there's a phone number you can call to get it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. I was just about to ask you that.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. I'm about to mute you, but I'm ready.
It's 313-987-5885. 965-8130. And her name is Ms. Green.
You said 20?
965-8130. And you need, but you're gonna have to come back to court, so you'll have to come back on that September 9th date at 8:35. So call Ms. Green to get your community service set up. Any questions?
Wait, yes, wait. I didn't get the number. Wait, I've got to look for a pen. It didn't save in my keypad. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready.
313-965-8130.
And her name is Green.
Ms. Green.
Okay, and come back September the 9th.
September the 9th at 8:35.
Okay.
Proof that you completed the community service.
Okay, thank you. And I'm gonna see you again, right?
You will see me on September 9th.
Okay.
Good luck to you.
I can leave.
You are all set.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. She's like, she hasn't time to get it. Here, let me do. I'll do.
The other one, agent ticket.
I'm gonna just. Okay. All right. So this is the people versus Xavier Dunning. Ticket number P101705 count 1, driver unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, fraudulent false insurance information. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, so state your name, Mr. Dunning.
Xavier Dunning.
Okay. So I think we contacted Ms. Cole. I mean, she responded. I'm not sure exactly what tickets you responded for. It might have been this one, but with that, you stipulate the probable cause. Mr. Warbling.
We do, Your Honor.
So these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. This is the people. Any questions, Mr. Dunning?
Everything over with.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Goodbye.
Ms. Shalia Doris, this is, you can turn your video on and mute yourself. This is the people versus Shalia Doris, ticket number P1194231, count 1, drove on license not valid or proper license. Ticket number 1839431, count 1, drove, dump, place, or deposit litter from vehicle to public private property. Ticket number P375816, count 1, drive and register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P386581, count 1, improper place, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, student driver unaccompanied. Ticket number U46452318, count 1, park motor vehicle on grassy area of park, lawn, etc. Ticket number 145435470. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on a person. Ticket number 185141651. Count 1, driver license suspended. I'm sorry, that was ticket number 185141651. So count 1 was loitering on. I'm sorry. Count 1 is driving while license suspended. Count 2 is loitering on public private property, trespassing, and then count 3 is no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Ms. Doris.
Shalia Doris.
Looks like there is an offer that she make admission to ticket number ending in 231, count drove a license not valid or proper license, and then ticket number ending in 321, throw, dump, place, the litter ticket, and then dismissing everything else. There's also a state ticket. Court will include that with the dismissal. Did you call to bill us up with that offer?
So Judge, we've reviewed it at length. We've committed some time to doing that. And I know that my client doesn't recognize the littering ticket. So I don't know if it would be, I believe we want to continue her not guilty plea. Maybe we could set it for a pretrial so we could engage in further discussions.
What's this up for today?
I believe today's an arraignment on the bench warrant, Judge.
She doesn't wanna
I mean,
say-
they're older matters. Perhaps we would just set it for a bench trial. Because the littering allegation is from New Year's Day on 2018.
So, Ms. Doris, would you rather just set this for a bench trial before myself? Bench trial would be where the court would determine if you're guilty or not.
Yeah,
Are you saying yes?
yes,
Okay, you can raise your right hand. You understand, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You put your hand down. You, understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court would be the fact finder in your case.
yes,
That means the court will, okay. So the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial.
That's a good date, Judge. It's real like that.
Let's just set it for August 11th at 9 o'clock. Any question?
no,
Right.
All right, you are all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We're going to see you back on that date.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Doris.
Hold on.
Call.
Well, it was all set for trial.
Oh, those trial stuff from this morning here.
Here goes some more tickets. I didn't call these, mister. I mean, I know it was all set for trial, but she had 2 other tickets. They're pretty old.
Okay.
They're 7 years old.
Officer checked in with someone.
What are these stuff for?
That's the one case that Miss Cole dismissed agent ticket.
Oh, okay. This is what she was talking about.
Yeah.
She never spoke. Okay, so let's go back on the record, or we're still on the record for Shalia Doris, ticket number P386581, count 1, improper place, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, student driver unaccompanied, I didn't call. And then ticket number P375816, count 1, driver unregistered or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. These tickets, say your name, Mr. Werbling.
Sure. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Ms. Doris.
Doris was here, but we released her. These tickets are old. They're over 7 years old, so Mr. Werbling, you stipulate proper cause to dismiss these.
We do, Your Honor.
All right, so they're dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you get that second recommendations?
See what I have. Thanks, Louis.
I did call.
And
Deanna Rice out in the break room.
I mean, I had Jermaine Rolling who was ready, but
Okay.
but all it said on the plea form was it's an old plea form from March. And we're off the record, right, Judge?
Want me to bring Jermaine Rowling? You want me
Yeah,
to-
we could bring him out, Darnell. It just said that he was to complete the defensive driving course. There's nothing else on the police sheet. I think he was in 4.
I brought him to the main section.
Oh, thank you, sir.
He's-
Appreciate it.
I didn't know. These are separate trial, and I was working one. These two are.
Could you go in there and get him in room 4?
Yeah, well, let me go again. He's in 4.
Which one are we about to do?
He was told, Mr. Rowlings was told to complete a class and that was it.
Yeah.
Hello,
Court is back in session with the Honorable Reagan Evans presiding. Good morning, Your Honor.
Versus Jermaine Rowling, ticket number P116592, count 1, 21 to 25 miles per hour over posted speed, count 2, no proof of insurance, and then ticket number P11660001, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. And that's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Wergling.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Mr. Rowling.
yes, I hear you.
Say your name, sir.
My name is Jermaine Rowling.
Okay, it looks like there's an offer that if he completes the driver improvement course, then he could plead responsible to count 1 with limited access and then dismissing the remaining counts. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
I believe he does, Judge, because he understands that would have no points. It's a civil fine. Did you want to accept that, Mr. Rowling?
It's with 10 over.
Oh, it's 10. Okay.
Yeah, 65 and a 55.
Okay.
Let me just make sure. Yeah, that's the offer.
So, Mr. Rowling, there would be some points assessed, but it's not a crime. It's a civil infraction, and the misdemeanors would be dismissed. Did you want to take advantage of that, sir?
Yes, the misdemeanor is gonna be dismissed, but I did take the class
Yeah.
for the.
And that-
I did take the class so I could get my license this year.
Exactly, and that's why they're giving you this offer. So you want to take advantage of it, sir?
Yes, now is y'all gonna take the moving violation off?
No.
Because that's why I was taking the test for it. Because the last person I was talking to, he said if I take this test, I don't have they'll take the moving violation. So this year I'm supposed to have to get my license.
So the moving violation is reduced because it was originally 21 to 25 miles per hour over posted speed. So it's reduced to 10 miles per hour over posted speed. So there's still points involved and a fine, but it's not as serious.
I'm gonna have a chance to get my license this year in October?
That you have to deal with Secretary of State. So you can plead responsible or you can set up a trial.
A trial?
Yes, you can set it for a trial. You can set it for either a bench trial or a jury trial.
The misdemeanor is being dismissed, Mr. Rowling, and you be pleading to a civil infraction, which is not a crime. although there are some points, and it would be you'd be given at least 14 days to pay the fine.
Okay. I take
So I
that.
believe he wants to move forward, Your Honor.
Okay, so with that, Mr. Worthing, you do stipulate to the face of the ticket number ending in 992.
We do, Judge, for purposes of the plea.
Okay, so the court will accept that stipulation, amend that count to limited access with 65 and 55 mile per hour zone. And you stipulate the probable cause after the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so those matters are dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $135, Mr. Rowling, that is due on July 22nd.
Okay, I'll pay it sooner than that. Okay.
Okay, good. Because if you don't pay it, it will go into default and the case will not be closed.
You said $125?
$135.
That's the only thing I owe right now? That's the only thing I owe nothing else.
There might be some reinstatement fees that you'll have to pay to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you gotta check with the Secretary of State to see.
Even though I had to take that test and passed everything, what it supposed to help with?
You're asking how did taking that class benefit you?
Yes.
They reduced the charge to, it was 21 to 25 miles per hour. And that would have been 4 points and $180 ticket. So because you took the class, they reduced it to 10 over, which 10 miles per hour over the speed, posted speed. So then it's only 2 points and it's $135 ticket.
So I got 2 points and I got,
That's the benefit.
okay. So I got 2 points, right?
You got 2 points, yes. You had the option of having 4 points, but because you took the class, now you got 2 points. So they took some of the points off.
How long them 2 points come off?
2 years.
All right.
So for the next 2 years, you better just, once you get your license, you drive, follow all the rules and drive the best way that you can, so you don't get any more points or tickets or anything, okay?
Okay.
All right? Get your life together.
All right. Thank you.
You welcome. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.